Hello. Another dead battery. Okay, let's start. Jump start. Yeah. We can. So plus. It's very easy. Plus. We'll go to the plus. Minus. We'll go to the minus. And first is disconnected. Yes. Okay. Try to click it here. Minus and minus. Okay. Full battery. Wait. Green. Okay. I think it's ready to start. Okay, let's test. Yeah. Okay, what we do is just pull this out. And that's it. Done. Done. Yeah. Woohoo!